Okay, so welcome to our session 5. And 'di ba, last video ay diniscuss natin yung relations and functions, yung difference between relations and functions. And we know kapag sinabi nating function, hindi dapat umuulit yung value ng x. Yung relation naman, kahit umuulit yung value ng x, okay lang. So it is the set of any ordered pairs. Okay? While function, so dapat, again, yung each value ng x or ng domain, walang umuulit. Yun lang dapat natin tatandaan. And sagutan lang natin tong question na to. What value of x will make the relation 2, 5, 9, 9, x minus 4, 10, 10, 17 a function? So, dapat yung relation na ito maging function. So, ano nga yung sinabi ko kanina? Dapat yung bawat element sa domain, walang uulit. Ibig sabihin, okay? Ibig sabihin, yung x minus 4, hindi dapat siya mag-equal sa 2, sa 9, at sa 10. Okay? Again, x minus 4 hindi dapat mag-equal sa 2, 9, and 10. Yan. So, anong gagawin natin? We will make a mathematical sentence. So, we have x minus 4 must not be equal to 2. X minus 4 must not be equal to 9. Ay, yes. Sorry, ito. Then, x minus 4 must not be equal to 10. So, kuhanin natin. Kasi sa mga exams, may mga ganyang question. So, para makuha natin yung value ng x, just, yung tab nga natin, transpose, pero ang talaga nangyayari is APE. So, we will just add 4 on both sides. That is the additive inverse of negative 4. So, x must not be equal to 4, sorry, 2 plus 4. And kapag inad natin, so that is equal to 6. So, dapat, kung merong choices, 6, 10, 12, 18. So, dapat hindi mo pipiliin yung 6. Hindi dapat siya maging equal sa 6. Kasi, magiging kaparehas niya yung 2. Yung isa naman, ano pa yung restriction? Hindi dapat siya mag-i-equal sa, pag inad natin to, this is not equal to 13 because 13 minus 9, 13 minus 4 will give us 9. So kapag nag-9 na to parehas, 'di ba 9? 9 tapos 10. So this is a one-to-many correspondence and we know that one-to-many correspondence is not a function. And lastly, x must not be equal to 10 plus 4. So x must not be equal to 14 because 14 minus 4 is 10 at meron ka ng 10 dito, hindi siya magiging function. Okay? At kung ito ay multiple choice, dapat hindi dapat natin isasagot ang 6, ang 13, and 14. Okay? Now, let's move on. Bakit tayo magre-relations and functions ulit? Kasi we need to discuss, yung last time, ang diniscuss ko ay by ordered pairs. Ngayon naman, i-discuss natin paano natin malalaman kung relation lang siya or function kapag graph ang given. For example, so, drawing lang ako ng pangit. Sige, ito na lang. Pakahirap eh. For example, ayan. I have here the x and y axis. Tapos magdodraw ako ng graph. Drawing ako ng graph. For example, to this line here. Itong linya na to, color yellow, paano natin malalaman kung function yan? Yung mga graphs, relation yan. Kasi kapag kinuha mo yung mga points or yung mga points doon sa mismong graph, it will make a set of ordered pairs. Okay? Pero kapag titignan natin, paano natin malalaman kung function yan? Meron tayong tinatawag na vertical line test. Have vertical line test. So when we say vertical line test, we are dropping a vertical line. So maglalagay tayo ng vertical line that will pass through the graph, dun sa tinetest nating graph. At kapag dumaan lang siya at exactly 1 point, so ito yung kailangan nyo tatandaan. It must pass the graph at exactly 1 point. Masasabi natin na function na yung graph. Okay? Kasi kapag 2 points yung dinaanan niyan, sabihin, 2 value ng x yung dinaanan. Kung tatlong value ng x. So, hindi na siya function. So, example, ito. Test natin kung, ito pinakamadaling test sa lahat. Drop lang kayo ng vertical line. Lalagay tayo ng vertical line. Kahit saan. Basta dadaan sa, dadaan sa graph. For example, ayan. Lagay ako ng vertical line. Kahit di mo vertical. Ayan. Mapapansin natin, teka lang, hirap is. Ayan. Mapapansin natin, yung intersection ay 1 point lang. Hindi counted ito ha. Kasi sinasabi, ma'am, dalawa intersection. Hindi. Iyan counted kasi ang dinaanan nitong vertical line na to ay yung x-axis. Ay yung x-axis naman is not part of the graph. So, ang tinitingnan lang natin dito, yung intersection of the yellow line and the pink line. So, ang intersection nila ay isa lang. There is only one intersection. Therefore, this graph here is a function. This is a function. And I'll give you another example. So, draw ulit tayo ng x and y axis. Wala kasi yung aking mouse. Wala ako sa kaya kita nyo ang aking background, it's different. Okay. So, I'll draw another graph. So, let's say, halimbawa ay, ano ba? Itong graph na to. This is called absolute value. So, ito yung graph ng absolute value. Pag sinabi nating absolute value, nagiging positive yung mga values. Absolute value. So, let's have here this graph of absolute value. At alamin natin kung ito ba ay function or hindi. Gagawa lang tayo ng vertical line na dadaan sa mismong graph. So, ayan. Kahit saan. At makikita natin kung saan sila nag-meet. Ang kanilang intersection is at exactly 1 point. Therefore, this is a function. Another example. And so, let's say this graph here. So, it's a relation. Tapos, drop ako ng vertical lines. Kahit saan, kahit dito. Makikita natin that there are two intersections. Since there are two intersections, this is not a function. So, very easy kapag graph ang given. Madaling tingnan. Hindi nyo na kailangang hulaan. So, napakadaling tingnan kung ayan ay function or hindi. Another example. Dapat maraming example. Let's say, yan. So, this graph here, a polynomial function, polynomial equation, graph ng polynomial equation, sorry. So, drop tayo ng vertical line. Kahit saan dyan, kahit super close niyan, pag zoom natin yan, there is only one intersection. So, isa lang yung madadaanan niyo. Okay? So, this is a function. Ano-ano yung mga hindi function? 'Di ba sa ating performance task, ask you to look for objects, 10 objects na maa-identify natin as function. Nagbigay ako ng example pero hindi siya function. Yung tin can. So, it's a circle and a circle is just a relation, not a function. Kasi kung ano man yung value dito, kakaroon din dito. 'Di ba? Ayan, mga circle. Not perfect though. So, ayan. Two intersections yan. Okay, so not a function. So, that's all. Ayun, yun lang. Sobrang bilis lang ng ating video. So, I hope na this is very clear to you because this one is the easiest topic. Yung pag-identify kung function ba o hindi ang isang graph. Okay? Thank you.